This chapter is going to be really, really interesting because we have learned a lot. But what is most important is putting it all together and putting it all together in a really, really simple way and choosing those customized, personalized 4 steps which will help you have healthier hair all your life. So, how can you control hair fall or decrease hair fall? How will you use all the knowledge that you have gathered, that you have collected over the last 8 weeks, and how are you going to use it to decrease your hair fall? Come, let's explore. This is going to be really powerful, fun, and easy. So, what is the cause of hair fall? Suppose it's nutritional. So, we always said that it is important to know the cause of hair fall before you find a solution for it. Here, I would like to tell you that even if you're going for some kind of a home remedy at some point of time, you decide not to go for medicinal remedies or not talk to a doctor, but you think you know some really effective home remedies that will control your hair fall, that will make your hair healthier. That's absolutely fine too, but still it is absolutely necessary to know the cause of hair fall, because without knowing the cause of hair fall you will not even be able to choose the right home remedy. Is that correct? So if it is nutritional, these are the 4 steps. So you will need a nutritional supplement specific for hair. Here I will be talking about the doctor's approach, a medicinal approach, because that is what this masterclass is primarily about. And the second step will be to increase protein in diet and to use supplements, whether it is protein supplements or nutritional supplements as indicated. The third step is using a peptide based hair tonic. Peptide based hair tonics, peptide is a form of protein. So there are hair tonics available in the pharmaceutical companies that are a combination of proteins, of biotin, and of a lot of other nutritional elements which are dissolved in water, which can be applied on the scalp. We have spoken about these products when we spoke about hair tonics and hair serums. So, a peptide based hair tonic is something because you are giving nourishment to the body, but side by side, if you can also give nourishment to the scalp, you can also ensure that the hair roots where the action is actually going to happen, if some nourishment is we are able to give it to that area, then it will be a more complete process. So here I would give a peptide based hair tonic to apply, and then I would tell the client to use a shampoo with no sulfates, because sulfates are going to dry the hair, they're going to over dry the hair, and if the hair is over dried, a lot of nourishment or a lot of nutrition is washed off, and the nutritional requirement further increases. So these are the simple 4 steps that you will have to choose if you have nutritional hair fall. Now, how simple does it get? How long will you have to use it? You will have to use it in for 4 to 6 months, after which you will have to make sure that you have a healthy lifestyle so that you do not get into the nutritional deficiency again. How soon will you see the results? You will see the results in just 6 to 9 weeks. So the person will definitely have to wait for 6 weeks, because the body will get healthier first and then the person will start seeing results in the hair. And in 9 weeks, most of the people, unless we are missing something or unless the person has a problem with the absorption of the nutrition that we are giving them, most people see progress, see the beginning of results in 6 to 9 weeks. What happens after that? What is the maintenance regime for these kind of clients? They will have to maintain with a proper diet. I recommend that if you have had a nutritional deficiency and now for 6 months you've taken medicines and you're really happy with the quality of your hair, I request people to continue these vitamins and hair tonic only on Saturday, Sunday for 1 year. By the time their body completely gets healthier, and they also get used to following a healthy, a mindful lifestyle where they're able to balance it without any medicines, but continuing vitamins and hair tonics for an entire year, according to me, is a good idea. And a non-sulfated shampoo is something they need to use for the rest of their life, because using sulfated shampoos is one of the reasons why, as a community, as a mass, we all have are complaining of frizzy hair. So hair mesotherapy helps in these clients. It's not compulsory, but what in clinic therapy would I recommend? I would recommend a hair mesotherapy, 10 sessions maybe every week or every 15 days. This can add huge value. It's not mandatory, but yes, if you're looking at the icing on the cake, this will further enhance the penetration of the vitamin to the hair roots and make sure that you get faster results, better results, and more assured results. Though I said it's not mandatory, we have already covered what exactly is hair mesotherapy in the earlier lessons. Any questions on hair mesotherapy, feel free to ask me. So thank you so much.